Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the file. Duplicate the original layer so you can always revert. Once duplicated, select the subject using a refine selection tool. Quick Mask, Lasso, or AI selection works. Make sure to zoom to 100% and refine edges where hair or soft material appears. After the selection is clean, create a layer mask immediately. This prevents permanent pixels from being deleted and sets you up to place the new background underneath. Once the mask exists, refine it carefully. Switch between black and white brushes to add or remove areas, and use edge detection tools to capture fine hair or fur. Make sure to toggle feather and contrast to see how the subject blends at various sizes. This affects realism. If hair is involved, use color range selection or split the mask into multiple passes for translucency. Then apply a subtle output smoothing and check against both light and dark backgrounds to confirm the edge behavior. You finish by placing the new background beneath the mask subject and aligning scale and perspective so shadows and proportions feel right. Once positioned, match color and light with selective curves, color lookup, or camera raw filters. This makes the subject appear native to the new scene. Add a subtle shadow layer if needed and clean mask fringes with a 12px brush. If edges look off, check mask feather and color fringing. Reopen the layered file, tweak the mask, and re-export once fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.